yesterday sending off orders. I was there today sending off orders, and then tomorrow I have probably like 2 more orders left to send off. So you guys, your order's on the way, so be on the lookout. I am so tired. Man, I am exhausted like this. But yeah, so I just want to come on here and say thank you for the love and support that you all have shown me. I know I haven't posted in a while. I don't want to keep posting me doing trays on this channel. So I don't know, I gotta find something else to come on here with for you guys. But thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate everybody that supports Blazin Beauty. You guys truly do rock. So again, thank you. I love you.